Garissa County waxaa ka jira abaar. Shacabka ku nool Garissa oo aad ula dhacayo waxyeeleynta abaartii hore ayaa haddana waxay wajahayaan abaar kale. Governor Nathif Jama ayaa qaaylidhaan udire madaxweeynaha iyo waliba wasiirka difaaca dalka mudane Aden Bare asagoo ka codsaday in ay soo gaaraan Garissa ayna arkaan dhibaatooyinka sida abaarta isku soo guurka amni darrada ka jirta countiga. Governor ayaa sheegay in dhammaan county-yaasha loo yaqaano asal counties ay wajahayaan xaalado adag ayna tahay in si degdeg ah loogu soo gurmado.
We make a formal request, and I'm doing so today, to our president, also accompanied by our minister, Waziri Aden, labda wafike hapa Garissa ili wajionee hali vile ilivyo. And then we get the full attention of really the world to come to the rescue of Garissa and the other Asal counties. The situation is not tenable anymore. Garissa County today is suffering big issues. One, not only the drought, but as you have heard, we also have IDPs, drought IDPs, pastoral dropouts from the neighboring countries of Mandera, Wajir, and even, for that matter, Marsabit. So we are already, our situation imekuwa mbaya zaidi kwa ajili ya hawa wandugu zetu pia ambao wameathirika from the other neighboring counties. Zaidi ya hiyo, tumepata pia shida ya insecurity ambayo umesikia bwana DCC pia amezungumzia. Isitoshe, tulipata mambo ya maradhi ya cholera. You have heard the other day, Garissa County, almost 2,000 people have been affected. Ni mambo mazito. Kwa hivyo mimi nikapenda the attention of Garissa as an example of the situation of the Asal counties. Bwana President, tunakuomba utufikie hapa ili ujue hali yetu na pia watu globally wajue the situation of the Asal counties of Kenya. That's my request. While that request maybe will be considered, ningependa pia some quick actions to be taken by the national government. Number one, we need the KDF wako na uwezo ya kusupply maji. Shida kubwa hapa ni maji. Shida kubwa ya ukame is water. I know and we know and they know our KDF colleagues wako na magari. Instead of sitting with these vehicles now in the camps, let them help us in tankering water. Wacha hizi magari zitoke, and I hope I'm being heard. Ili we save the situation. We are now about to lose human lives. We have already lost enough livestock lives. It's now human lives are at risk. So we need help. KDF kwanza watusaidie, and also NYS.